Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You start by preparing the bot so it can actually join a voice channel, copy the token, and invite it with connect and speak permissions. Once done, install Node, JS 18+ or Python 3, 10+, and add the Discord library plus FFmpeg so audio can be encoded. Next, create a minimal config file containing your token, command prefix, default volume, and guild ID. This gets you from 0 to a running process that can accept play commands and join a voice channel immediately. Now you implement the streaming path. Use ITDL Core or YouTube DL to fetch audio and pipe it through FFmpeg into an Opus encoder so Discord accepts it. Make a queue object that stores tracks, requester, volume, and repeat flags. This controls playback order and user actions. Once you have a playing routine, manage voice connection states, listen for disconnects and rejoin logic, and free audio resources after a track ends. This ensures smooth handoff between songs and prevents memory leaks or broken streams. Finish by wiring up user commands: play, pause, skip, stop, cue, volume, and leave, each with permission checks so users can't break playback. Then deploy to a host or VPS and use PM2 or systemd to run the bot persistently. Make sure environment variables hold your token securely. Finally, test in a real voice channel and observe logs. If audio fails, first verify FFmpeg is installed and accessible. Confirm bot voice permissions and region, and check logs for decoder or connection errors to fix quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.